Today we're going to be talking about the Poco M6 Pro, and these are some pros and cons about the device. So, starting off with one of the pros is that it has an extremely 5000 milliamp battery that can last you about all day long. And honestly, could even last you more than just a day, because I think it lasted me about 3 days of use using social media, YouTube, playing games, and very balanced when using battery. 2. The camera is absolutely amazing. It has a 64 megapixel camera with a 1080p going up to 60 fps. But yes, great for photos, and it's also great for video. Not too bad of a video. This is filmed directly from the Poco M6 Pro, and this is what 1080p 60 fps looks like, but it might be 30 fps. I'm not sure what setting I have it on, but this is the quality of it. So that's the camera. Third pro is definitely the screen size. It is a 6.7 inch display, and it's rocking that AMOLED, deep colors and everything. Yeah, just AMOLED. Absolutely amazing. So watching movies on here, basically just a killer for that. And then as the fourth con, we are going to see the fingerprint reader, which is honestly super fast in-screen fingerprint reader, because we don't see a lot of fast ones this often. Usually they take a little time, or it's like a few seconds until it unlocks, but this was like, put my finger there, quick unlock, continues right where you were, doesn't go to the home screen. I think that's like one of my most favorites. And as for my fifth con has to be the amount of customizability there is on this lock screen. Like right here is a layout. I have my time, I have my camera, my calls, my battery, and just basically everything that I would need on the home screen, which is an absolute win to me. But all in all, out of all of those things, I think the design wise is absolutely amazing. It goes from like a shiny to like a matte looking glass, sort of a little glittery, but it is a fingerprint magnet. That's the thing that sucks about it. Those are my 5 pros for this phone. Now let's go ahead and talk about the cons. Now the cons of this phone, there's not really many. There's not really much I can say about it. Besides it being Android, my only issue with Android is that camera capabilities is very much incompatible with apps. So I wish integrated camera settings or the integrated cameras and apps was a lot better. I also think it could have a better chipset, but I understand for the budget of this phone, which is like 250 bucks, it is very powerful for what it is. It's more for like, in my opinion, daily use of social media, posting things, and just to basically get work done. As for gaming though, this is a decent phone to game on, but don't expect to get high quality content on the games, because it is going to limit you on how much graphic power you can use, which is completely okay with this phone, because simple games will run obviously at that full 120 hertz, while other games like Call of Duty, more high demanding games, is going to run you a solid low quality. But other than that, this is an Android based device. This is a Poco M6 Pro, but out of all the Android phones that I've used in the past, this has personally been my favorite and definitely been in my pocket for the past 4 months since I've gotten it. So yeah, after 4 months of using it, I'm gonna rate this phone a solid 8.5 out of 10. And again, this is the Poco M6 Pro, and I'll see you guys in the next video.